Hello friends, welcome to UnlistedZone.live. In this video, I am going to explain how you can check the latest prices that are traded in the UnlistedZone.live system. What you need to do is you go to marketplace, you click on last traded prices. So all the shares that are traded in this particular system will show you the last traded price. From this last traded price, you can able to check the exact current price of the particular share. For example, HDB Financial. The last trade that has happened for the system was on 11th of August and the price was 830. So you can able to check the latest price from this particular point. And this will help you whenever you are buying or you are selling the particular share from this system. Or what is the advantage of having this latest prices? Let us suppose you have purchased HDB Financial 1 year back at 600 and now price is 830. So you can able to calculate the amount of gain that you are gaining on these unlisted shares. So all the shares that are traded every day, you will get information on this platform, what is the last traded price. So you simply come to this platform and you can able to check the unlisted shares from there. Hope you have understand how to check the latest prices of unlisted share. Thank you very much.